Hi everyone, this is Letitia. I'm on my island, New York City Fashion Landmarks, and I'm going to try to create 3 different shapes. So I'll go up to Build. I'm going to select Build. Then I have an object. The object is clicked. So I click Object. I'm in the Create mode. So I drop that in there. There's one. Go back again. And okay, I'm going to try another one here. See if I can drop that in here. Yes. Alrighty. And I'm going to try one more that I will drop over here. Okay, now I'm going to try to link these 3 together. So I will right click on here and edit. And we're at Object. See here, I'm going to hit Shift. I picked up the second one and the third. I'll click Link. So now let's see, they're linked, they're moving together. So that's good. Okay, now I want to save this as a name and take it to my inventory. So I'm going to click on an item and edit. I'm going to rename this to Fun Objects. Let's spell it right. Fun Objects. And I'm going to close out of this. And then let's see if I can take it. And now let's check my inventory. And in Objects, we see Fun Objects there, so it worked. Great. Okay, now let's set up an object so we can we'll show a website on it. So I'm going to go to Build. I'm actually going to select this object here. Change the texture a little bit. Let's make it blank. And change the size of it a bit. Let's see what happens. Do that. Now let's try to rotate it a little bit so that you can actually see something on here. Oh, wait. Let's get back here. Oh, let's go the other way. Okay, I think I like it like that. Okay, let's see if we can get this website attached here. So I'm going to go to Texture, and I want full bright, and I'm going to change my materials to Media. Choose, okay, got that message, click OK. Alright, I'm going to paste it in here and hit Apply and OK. And it looks like it's there, but not sure if it's showing up correctly. Okay, so let's try a few things here to see if I can make this work. I'm going to go back to edit again, and maybe rotating this. Okay, that helped a little bit, but okay, that looks a little bit better. Okay, and if we zoom in a little bit from this level here, you can see the site that I had posted, which was Fashion Landmarks in New York City. Okay, thank you.